What's really crystallized in my mind, where the service that Second Front provides is such an accelerant for companies like ours.
Our partnership has also made Second Front stronger and expanded what we're able to offer for our customers.
Second Front is coming in to support our new business development.
And we loved that shared vision.
And now here we've got TrackVia Government and TrackVia built on top of the Game Warden technology. And now all of these doors are really open with you guys.
I can confidently say we wouldn't be here at all without Second Front.
We're here today at Offset Symposium 2026. Really excited to be here with you, Steve. Thanks for joining us. Steve, start by telling us what you do at Armada and what you focus on there.
Sure. So I'm Steve Limbert. I'm the Vice President of Federal at Armada. I've been with Armada for about a year. Armada is a company whose whole goal is to bring AI data factories to the edge. So if you think about the challenges that people everywhere are having in terms of bringing AI compute into different environments, in challenging environments, that's Armada's whole mission.
I love our partnership. I'm so excited.
As do we.
Yeah, I'm so excited about everything that we have going on together. Talk to me a little about the value of our Better Together story from an Armada perspective.
Yeah, so a lot of it really starts with, frankly, at the top, with Tyler, your CEO, and then Dan Wright, our CEO and co-founder. So you talk about two different guys that have very different backgrounds, but very closely aligned in terms of mission set and how they drive the company and the things that matter to them in terms of how they've built these companies. So at Armada, there's really three things we talk about. It's speed, scale, and sovereignty. And if you think about that from our perspective, there's a couple really specific things there. In terms of speed, so these AI data factories, we call them Galleons or Leviathans. We can bring these things into remote environments anywhere in the world, generally within about 60 to 90 days. So the speed of deployment for an AI capability is second to none. So that's one for us. Scale, we can build these things out so we can cluster them together. We can build very rapidly. We're constantly expanding our manufacturing capacity to be able to build a lot of these things, get them anywhere in the world in a very short period of time and actually build up this infrastructure, not to just have it be one-off type of things. Yeah. And then the sovereignty aspect of things is critically important as organizations and governments in various parts of the world are going to have sovereignty concerns that may be unique to their specific area, right? Yeah. And some of those sovereignty concerns are going to be different depending on where they are and what they're talking about. And that really aligns extremely well with what Second Front does on those three things too, right? So the speed of deployment when using Frontier is extraordinary. I've had the privilege of being not only a Second Front partner, but also a Second Front customer. So I've seen this in real time and in real world environments where this has actually worked, and it's extraordinary. On the scale side of things, nobody scales like you guys do, right? I mean, just the scale of deployments, the way you do it, the process and procedure that you have around it, where it's not just this one-off thing. There's a very prescribed methodology for how you do it. Fantastic. And then the sovereignty aspect, right? So now you have this AI data center that's running Frontier, right, in a sovereign environment. And now you can still run these really unique Frontier models in environments anywhere in the world. The two companies just work so well together. It's been such a great partnership for us.
Yeah, I mean, our partnership, I oversee the partnership side of the house and then also our customers, our commercial customers. So I get to really see both sides of this, working with your team on figuring out how do we bring this to market together, and then bringing that offering that we're doing together to our customer base and seeing what that unlocks for our customers and how that enables them to go and actually serve up to their end user exactly what they need. So I think there's so much opportunity for us domestically, and I'm also particularly excited about the opportunity globally, because I think there's never been a time in history that people have been paying more attention to the sovereignty piece of this and realized in real world impact the criticality of that. And there's no better solution out there than what we're teaming up to bring to market. So I think in markets like the Middle East, NATO, Europe, there's just tons of opportunity, and I'm excited to go and grow together with our customers and help our customers achieve those wins together.
Yeah, I mean, that's incredibly well said. And so it's interesting. So I've been doing this for a while, right? And I've seen, we started to see this paradigm shift where it's not going away from cloud. Cloud is not going anywhere, right? But you're starting to see government organizations and customers across the globe start to care about some different things. And sovereignty is a key part of that, right? And cloud is certainly part of that, whatever your environment might be. But the sovereign aspect of things, and there's some really unique challenges in doing that, right? Some of which are regulatory. some of which are security related, and some of which you don't necessarily know about until you're in that specific environment. So having that flexibility that you folks provide gives customers a lot of different options for how they actually want to do these sovereign models. It's a really neat thing.
The optionality is what I love. Like you said, cloud isn't going away. This is the optionality to really meet the mission owner where they are and offer them up what actually meets, their need and their mission. Awesome. Well, Steve, I'm so excited. I can't wait to stand out here next year with you and talk about all that we've done in the past year. And thank you for being such a great partner and for being here with us today.
Maybe thank you. Sincerely appreciate all the partnership that Second Front has given us.